Pari would be probably our top recommendation of yard design and builders. Just with that calf race, everything's so effective and efficient. Hi, I'm Marcus Spencer-Bauer.
I'm Callie Holland.
And we run a dairy farm in Swannanoa, North Canterbury. We milk 960 cows on a 300 hectare effective platform. We also have a 140 hectare runoff. We've got a team of 5 on farm with Callie and myself looking after the runoff and the operations of everything. We're a 6th generation family farm. For Callie and myself, this is our 3rd season managing one of the family's dairy farms. Originally we had a set of Te Paris on the bigger runoff, and with splitting the runoffs up, we've gone ahead and put in a 2nd set of Te Pari yards.
So the yards were installed about 3 years ago and decided to go with the calf race, obviously on the runoff. Lots of young stock, so it's perfect for all the calves, R1s, and then we've got the cow race as well with the manual crush. So yeah, perfect for wintering all the cows, heifers. Yeah, it works really good for the system here. Yeah. Today we were running through 280 of the R1 calves, so we had heifers, beef and Jersey bulls in there as well. So they were getting their monthly drench, BBD and a multi-min. And we love the calf race, it goes really good. While they're still a bit smaller, allows us to drench them orally quite easily. And yeah, they run through nice and easy.
So in the calf race, Pari set it up to have 2 sliding gates for us, and that then creates a small weighing area. We got a custom platform made, which allows us to weigh and scan calves really easily. The platform's made and designed so that the calf has to stand on it and it can't step off it. We're then running Gallagher wireless load cells, and then obviously through the screen and Nate scanner, it allows us to bang them through pretty quick. We really like the Te Pari yards. Biggest factors are the concrete with the ability to wash them out. The C-Force forcing yard works really good for pushing calves up the race, and then also setting a slightly smaller pen for pushing heifers up. It works really well too if you've got bulls and stuff like that, you can stand behind them. We really enjoy the manual crush with the VEX section. A big safety feature on that is the anti-backing system. With putting collars on all the heifers every year, we use the anti-backing system to help keep that animal forward in the crush so that she can't suck her head back while she's in the head bale, and that prevents us catching any fingers or anything like that. While we're doing that, we copper bullet them too. So that head bale and the ability to run that head bale from the back of the crush is really good for flow of animals through the yards. So the process of working with Te Pari was a dream, just from the original stages of designing and figuring out which plan and set of yards would fit us best. They then give you their concrete layout, which is easy for the builders to follow, and then obviously Te Pari build the yards. It's efficient, effective, and they're always in touch, so really good customer service.